fucking burped.
I went fought from my mouth, bro.
Oh, bro, you can barely fit in the driver's seat.
Oh, sorry.
There's a 4.0 in there.
It's special edition.
Ren's listening to the engine right now and telling us what it is.
This is Luke Skywalker's field. He just has all these old G.I. Joes.
Yeah, that's a new Camry.
Nice.
Look at the coconut rounds. Just
The initial one they have.
I still want my Halpia.
The one in the front is a new gen Camry. The white one behind the Bronco is the last gen.
That is really ugly.
Really?
The new one?
I think the new one's really ugly.
I think the new one's okay. I think it just looks small. It doesn't look as like beefy as the Camry.
It looks like a Honda. It looks like a Honda Elantra.
I like that one better.
Honda. You like my legs?
They're kind of hairy. Okay, I'm eating outside. Why do we make hanging out every time you go on a Facebook Marketplace mission?
Because this is the only thing that gets us to hang out together. Facebook Marketplace. We can't say, Jaden, let's go eat anymore.
So you got to go on the Marketplace mission.
Yes.
And then we get food.
And then we rope him into getting food. Ain't that right, big boy?
What the fuck did you eat the bag? Use your fucking head. I'm going home.
Why'd you eat the bag?
Because Ren asked me if I wanted.
Wow, that's how I know I'm the tech genius, dude. It just wants to work when I'm here.
I hate this guy.
Smells awesome.
Oh, found the culprit.
I want to put King Ryan seats in my truck.
Can you move out the way? That's how you know he likes boys.
Oh, he's putting oil.
I'm putting Gatorade.
No, it's broken. Look at it. This guy likes boys and dude, he's putting juice in his resin.
I tell you, dude. I literally just told you.
Oh my, dude, that's purple. Do you like your new toy?
I do.
How much was that? How much was it? You're gonna scratch the lens. Put your lens cap on
It's
it.
not. This is a cover.
That's the
This is
cover?
yeah.
That's the lens.
This is.
We need to get Ren
this is
food.
the actual thing.
We need to get Ren food. I would like to take a minute to say that bridge cost $17 million.
Can we go? I actually want to go on this bridge.
The $17 million bridge.
Or like sundown.
Are you Venmoing me, Ren, or are you gonna pay me back?
I don't have a bed, so I gotta get cash.
Who the fuck was the architect? That thing's not even level. They missed the corner on every single floor. That's a beautiful kill.
Rainbow.
Examining $17 million, and he's pissing on it. The coconuts don't even have any nuts on it. Swim in it.
It's gonna be the Hollow White Wash-Off Center.
I'm gonna get a toy boat.
Dude, we actually should. I'd be kind of down for that. Okay, guys, we're in the deep, deep jungles of the Philippines. Miles and miles away from civilization.
Dude, you just stepped in shit.
Oh shit. Where are we gonna eat? Where are we gonna camp for tonight?
Right here. Lonnie Kai.
24-hour challenge.
24 hours.
Prince Ward.
Victoria Ward.
Prince Victoria.
Prince Victoria.
I agree.
Can't even own one of them.
You can't. This is a waste of money. I doubt it.
Oh man.
Don't hold your breath. What do you say?
He said, this is a waste of money. There's no view. There's no waste of money. Toyota.
Dude, it was the Tundra.
Look at this. Look at the rain coming through the city.
Oh, what a tarnation.
Burn it.
That's them Halpia bugs.
There's a bunch. Look.
Oh.
What are these? Bro, oh my god.
They lost privilege real
I think it's a
quick.
moth. Are these moth baby larvae?
You're about to get really bad luck.
Ren is fucking burning all of them.
This is kind of like reverse 9/11. This time it's going up.
Dude, there's probably like a 4-year-old child that's like ugly crying because they lost their balloon.
See? Look, I told you, she's fucking scooping out a spot already.
Like, yeah.
Look how fucking comfy these bushes look. If I was a homeless person, I'd fucking
They
stick
stop
with this.
moving.
It's Pahina Hina. I learned that at school today.
You can take all these plants.
Wahine hine.
Yeah.
Steeping at the bridgey.
Bitch.
This thing, what is that?
Oh my god. Wow. Trust your pet? What's his name? How long have you had him?
I don't know, I saved him from Ren.
Oh, for being burnt.
You didn't seem very scared.
Huh?
You didn't seem very scared.
Well, he got me unexpected too.
I've been thinking about you. You know, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead?
Why is there ice? Outside of my rapper, like.
I did not expect
This is
that
soggy.
bird to make that sound.
I'm holding the whole fucking box.
This is gas though.
Can you hold this, Jaden?
The sounds and sights of town. Let's see you finish that, boy.
I've been watching you. La 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 la.
No.
Dude, if I zoom up close enough, it looks like a fish. It's disgusting. Yeah, I hate watching that.
Just a fucking box of Lucy's right now.
Imagine
Not going that damn lagoon.
when it's snorkeling. It's cliff finale's coming up and it's not focusing. Focus. Thank you. Can we go to the... Did you just grab that out the trash? Oh my god.
We're gonna walk on the mall.
Have a lick.
Yeah.
Wow. I looked away for like 5 seconds and
Look. So it does that where it diffuses the light. So it makes it look kind of like glowy. You see what I mean? So when I zoom in, it's not like you see like the whole light. It's kind of like a soft glow.
He was lighting stuff on fire. Do it again. Oh, look at us. Yeah.
What's he doing? What the fuck is that?
It's fire. He just lit toilet paper on fire.
Oh my god, man.
That is crazy. He lit his shit on fire. What's wrong with this guy?
I don't know. He's doing it just by himself.
Ren is an interesting individual.
Him coming out all nonchalant like he didn't just fucking have the time of his life lighting shit on fire.
What? Did you just bite me?
Jens, what happened to your second bed?
It's over.
Is there cum on it?
Yes, just come on.